I just wanted to make sure nobody moves, because if you move, you will die. What you guys are about to see is something we like to call live street theater. Welcome to Quincy Martin Central Hall. You guys are about to see something you've never seen before. My name is Boogie. I'm an international street performer. I travel all around the world.
Don't stop, baby. Oh, my baby. Don't stop, darling.
Hold on. Don't clap, don't clap, don't clap. You know why? Because the hardest part about this move is actually getting up, just like that lady is doing. When I get back up, give me your best, and I'll give you guys my most dangerous, while I flip over these people and the awesome kid. Kids, do not try this next one until you get home. Getting back up. When I get back up, give me your best, Boston, and I'll give you guys my most dangerous. Check it out. Can you guys feel in that space over there? It looks like somebody farted in this section. No, closing the gaps, guys. Closing the gaps, yeah. All right, here we go. Getting back up. Oh, you guys got cameras? Do you guys want a good shot for the show? I'm gonna give you the best shot. One more. That'll be $100, okay? All right, for real this time. Getting back up, y'all. Check it out. Are you guys still with me? Say yeah. Yeah. Say oh yeah. Oh All right, here we go. Let's do this.
Keep on, darling. All right.
I can't believe you guys are actually clapping for that. I'm really gonna do this. I just wanted to see if we got a sense of humor. All the way from right over here. Give it up for white chocolate. Walk it out, white chocolate. Walk it out, white chocolate. Walk it out. Over here. Walk it out. Walk it out. Walk it out. Walk it out. Make it way. Right here. Okay. Follow me. Right here. You got it. You got it. Okay. 100 times your soul. You guys give me your best. I'm giving it back to you guys in tenfold. Here we go, Boston. On 3. 1, 2. At 2, your hands should be up in the clapping positions. Everyone put them up, y'all. Sir, if you don't do this, I'm gonna come over there and kiss you on the lips. Hands up. On the count of 3, nice and loud, my black men, hands up. We're used to this. Whoop, whoop. Hands up, my brother. On the count of 3, nice and loud. Be really proud. 1, 2, 3. Come alive, y'all. Let me hear y'all.